Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to search and hire freelancers on Guru. Here are the steps for searching and hiring freelancers on Guru. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to www.guru.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, on the dashboard, which we have in here, go ahead and locate and click on the Find Freelancers in the main navigation menu. Now, this is a freelancer account, not an employer account. That's why you can find work in here instead of find freelancers. Okay, but if you're using an employer account, what you're going to find in the main navigation menu on your homepage or this dashboard is Find Freelancers. Now, at the top of the Find Freelancers page, just go ahead and click on Find Freelancers. It's going to take you to another page. At the top of the Find Freelancers page, type keywords related to the skills or expertise you're looking for in the freelancer, such as graphic designer or web developer. Then press enter or click the search icon to display relevant freelancers. On the left sidebar, use the available filters to narrow down your search. So you can filter by category, that's writing, design, programming, or you can filter by location, or you can filter by experience level, or rate per hour, or fixed price, or even job success rates. So select the filters that best match your hiring criteria. Then click on a freelancer's name or profile photo to open their profile. Review their portfolio, experience, client reviews, and hourly rates or project prices. If you're interested in several freelancers, click Add to Favorites on each profile to create a short list. On the freelancer's profile, click Contact to open the chat window. Send a message detailing the project and any questions you have for the freelancer to confirm their fees. After finalizing the details, click Hire on the freelancer's profile. Complete the hiring agreement by specifying the project scope, payment terms, and timeline. Then review the agreement one last time and click Submit or Send Offer to officially hire the freelancer. Once hired, you can track progress and communicate with the freelancer through messages or My Job section in your dashboard. And that's pretty much it. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.